Come on, don't break off. Oh no! I just broke my rod. What is up, everybody? Happy springtime. It is the end of May, like the 21st or something, and we are out here trying to catch some spawning bluegills. Evan, what's the water temperature out here? 68. Little warm, but we are on Mud Lake in Hatley, Wisconsin, hoping to get into the bluegill. Let's see what happens. All right, we're fishing with bobbers and sinkers, and we are using jumbo worms, not crawlers. And I think I am snagged. That didn't take long, did it? That's the one thing about an ultralight. You don't have the backbone to rip through a... Where's your bobber, bud? Are you getting a bite? Yeah. Reel it in, reel it in. You got one? I think Evan's found the... Yeah! Evan's got the skunk off the boat with a little baby. Oh, you got the baby. Bring him over here. Oh, boy. Good one. Well, what do we say about mud? You ain't getting skunked. The skunk is off the boat. I'm snagged. You want to kiss him goodbye? You got a name for him? Bob. Bye, Bob. Send your big brother. All right, bud. Put it right back out there. Skunked off the boat. Good job, son. You know, I got to deal with my snaggy snag. Come on, don't break off. Oh no! I just broke my rod. I just broke my rod. I believe this is my St. Croix too. No way. Yeah, look at that. St. Croix snapped in half. Broke it off. And I don't have a backup. I didn't bring another rod. All right, Evan. It is up to you now, bud. No. Yeah. Yeah, pal. There ain't a whole lot we can do now. Oh, my goodness. Now I'm just making it worse. That'll make a good video. Well, the good thing about St. Croix is their lifetime warranty. Wow, that's incredible. Well, that ends my day of fishing. You want to be right where you caught the other fish, bud. Reel that in, put it right back out there. See if they're schooling up right there. They might just be biting a little slow today is all. I guess I'm just going to be your fishing guide today. Watch. Yeah. There's your problem right there. Open your bail. Let's adjust that bobber and that sinker. Okay. I think we're gonna move down. Let's pull up anchor. Let's move down to the next set of lily pads here. I'm gonna get us right in front of this line of lily pads so you can fish all this line of lily pads, okay? Okay, the anchor's away. Don't plop it, don't plop it. Yeah, that was kind of a plop. So yeah, you wanna be like see where that cut right there is? You would want to be like right there. Like that's, there you go. Yeah, like the edge of those lily pads would be okay. And actually you could kind of cast behind. Do you see the line of weeds you're in front of? You could cast into that pocket behind there. Oh, Ev. You got one. You got one. You got one. Another baby.
I see one.
Oh, he swallowed it. That's why you... Yeah. Well, that's two, bud. We're gonna get you a new worm. Okay, swing it slowly to me. Slowly. Come on, what are you doing? Just gonna thread that worm on, poke him through 3 or 4 or 5 times. And so I want like a glob of worm in the middle with a couple of tails hanging off the ends. That's what I like right there. All right, son, put it right back out there. Get ready, get ready. Reel it just a little. Go, 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 go. You got him. They're getting progressively littler, Ev. Send your uncle. Got a name for him, Ev? Minnow. They're little, but at least it's action. Oh, oh, oh. Reel, slow, real slow. Okay, take him. You got him. Yeah. No. You got him. There we go. Oh boy, yeah, he took that one all the way down to. This guy ain't gonna make it. Sorry, pal. Yeah, he's toast. Well, nothing goes to waste, bud. He'll get eaten by a turtle or a bass or a pike or a muskie or something. So you saw how that guy hit. When it starts to move, just slowly start reeling. Okay? And that'll let you be the judge of... Put it right back in that same spot. Yeah. I can't believe you want a snack when the fish are biting this good. Snag these guys' uncle. Or their daddy would be even better. Or their mommy. Give me your big fat mommy. That is not where I wanted to be at all. Oh, whoa. He smashed it. He smashed that thing, Bucko. Another dink. It's a dink Saturday. Where's your mama? Yep. You want back in on this? When you see this with your sinkers, push the sinker up closer to the bobber. Okay? Can you do that? I'll fix your worm. He's traveling with it. He's traveling with it, Bucko. Bucko. Reel. Yep, you got him. And he swallowed it, but you gotta be paying attention, pal. We're gonna be killing fish today. All right. When I say start reeling, okay? They're taking the hook into their mouth. When it goes under, they're starting to swim away with it. That's when you set the hook in their lip. You want to set the hook in their lip, not in their guts. Okay. All right, we'll see if we can go find some big ones, pal. Oh, look at the turtles on top of the log. 2 of them. See them? Okay, drop anchor. I don't think this is a very good spot, to be honest. Oh, I take that back.
You immediately get one?
Yep. It's Dink Day on Mud Lake.
So I guess you thought that.
Yeah, you thought 5. That's what, 8? Okay, so I put it right out there by those lily pads, right? Ooh. Oh. I got him. I got him. Ooh, this one's getting a little better. Closer. We're getting closer to keepers. That's... He is fat.
Oh yeah.
Look what a chunky little turd you are.
Fat Sally.
That is a little fat Sally. Bye, Fatty.
What was his name?
Fatty.
What about Fatty?
A fatty Jetty. A fatty Jetty. Ah.
There should be people in
Yeah, it would be actually. Oh. Oh no, he ran me into the... Got lucky, got lucky, got lucky. I do not want to bring the boat in there and disrupt that. Oh. Got him. No, I got him. I got the minnow. He might be. This is like a minnow's baby. All right, Bucko, why don't you come back here and just cast right back? See those 3 lily pads in a row? Just get right in front of those. That's where I keep pulling them out of.
I think that there's going to be minnow owls or minnow snakes.
Good. Boy, that's perfect.
I overcast.
Oh, watch. Watch, watch, watch. Go, 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 go. Yep, you got him. Yeah, they're getting smaller and smaller.
Minnow owl.
Okay, so here's my hand.
It's basically the size of 2 of your fingers.
You are a fish stick. You're not even a fish, you're a fish stick.
Baby man.
Yep. All right, let's get your
Oh, baby man.
baby man.
Baby man. Oh, baby man.
Well, Bucko, how'd we do?
Good.
How many?
10.
Yep. If we had an extra rod, probably would have been double that, because they were biting hard, they were biting fast, but they were dinks. They were tiny.
But
So
you had to snap your rod.
I did. Couldn't help it. So now I get to see what St. Croix customer service is like. So subscribe and you will see what that's all about. Hit the notification bell and we'll see you on the next one.